logo.
Hey.
Oh yeah. What do you think of? What's your favorite CSX paint scheme? Mine is
YN2.
Yeah, YN2 hands down.
I don't think it looks good on Asus though.
The Boxcar logo, it looks good on the Chivos.
It looks, and it also looks good on Asus, but anything else looks like crap.
That's nice.
YN2 EMDs are great.
Alright, sweet. Sure is hot. Yeah, it is hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
Wow.
Hey, restart it. Don't leave it. Whoa. Can you subscribe to my channel?
See ya.
okay, I'll make sure to subscribe. I don't know if I'll
Same here.
or not.
What?
I actually got this train earlier today.
I don't know if I already subscribed to your channel, but I'll make sure that I do.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
It comes in at about the 18-second mark. It comes very soon.
Wait,
This one here. There it is.
we caught that.
We caught that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on that.
Just now. Wow.
We realized it's been on the Galveston for a while and there's still nothing.
Just want to get this one thing before I have to go. Hopefully something significant for you.
Oh, yeah, that'd be awesome.
I kind of feel like we want to cool off in the Railroad Museum since it's a BNSF. We can film it from there.
Ooh.
I feel like we should cool off in the Railroad Museum.
I think we should maybe do
I
that.
haven't been in like 5 years, 8 years. Those cameras on top. Whatever they are.
I wonder what they are doing up there. Yeah, same thing. I always wonder
Is it in
what.
the block, Matt?
What?
Is it in the block?
Green.
Oh.
Where's he at right now, Matt?
He's close enough. Trey, don't have to check now.
Oh, where is he at exactly?
Don't know.
Should be around here somewhere though.